Imagine waking up thousands of years ago, hungry and surrounded by, untamed wilderness. Forget the image of a caveman gnawing on a giant bone. Recent archaeological discoveries reveal a far more diverse and surprising prehistoric menu. While meat from wild animals did play a role, evidence from ancient fire pits, fossilized teeth, and preserved tools shows that early humans were true opportunists. They foraged for wild fruits, nuts, seeds, and edible roots. In some regions, honey, eggs, and even insects were prized sources of energy and nutrition. Fish and shellfish were collected along rivers and coasts, adding variety to their diet. Grains and tubers, once thought to be a later addition, have been found in residues on grinding stones dating back tens of thousands of years. The real secret? Cavemen ate whatever was available, adapting to changing seasons and diverse landscapes. Their survival depended on flexibility, creativity, and deep knowledge of their environment. So, next time you picture prehistoric life, think less about endless steak dinners and more about a resourceful, varied diet shaped by nature's vast pantry.